Tonight with us live from Texas is State Senator Rodney Ellis. Hello, Senator.
Hi, how are you?
Thank you for being with us tonight. Senator, you proposed back to the Texas Senate a bill that would have applied directly to the Oliver Cruz case. What did it say?
Well, the bill said that we would not be able to execute mentally retarded people in Texas. The bill did pass the Senate by a good margin. It did die in the Calendars Committee in the Texas House. 12 states in the country so far ban executing mentally retarded people, and also on the federal level, we're not permitted to execute mentally retarded people. I think Texas, particularly because so many people are on death row in Texas, we shouldn't execute retarded people. Now,
Senator George, you are number 3 in line to make this decision regarding granting a stay, granting a reprieve, and so forth. Senator Ellis, I take it that you are opposing this execution.
It would have been a very difficult decision for me to make if I were in the hot seat. I do favor the death penalty. That's important to note. And on 3 separate occasions, I have been in charge as acting governor when Governor Bush and the Lieutenant Governor, Rick Perry, were out of the state. And I granted 1 reprieve in conjunction with the governor and lieutenant governor. They were both in agreement. On this one, I'm not sure what I'd do. I think that I would have spent a lot of time reviewing the case. I'm very troubled by that last-minute IQ test that came up. It's important to note that you don't develop mental retardation on death row or when you come on a talk show. That's something that is determined during one's adolescence, and that's what the bill that I had pointed out. There's a difference between mental illness, mental retardation, and being mentally insane.
And Senator Ellis, I've looked over your bill very carefully. It's very impressive. My question is, tonight, Governor Bush is out of the area. He's not there to make this tough call. If he supported your bill, as I understand he did, why isn't he there to make the decision regarding Oliver Cruz?
No, Governor Bush did not support the bill. During the process, there was a press account. I think he was at a press conference with Mayor Giuliani at some point. New York bans executing mentally retarded persons, and he was asked by the press, and he said, I think the current law in Texas is appropriate. Current law does not ban it.
Oh, I understand. So he did not support your change in the law.
No, he was against it. The lieutenant governor in Texas presides over the Senate, and since the bill came out of the Senate by a good margin, it would certainly appear that the lieutenant governor didn't oppose the bill.
Senator Ellis, I want to thank you, as always, for being with us. You were here during the Graham execution talking with me that night, and I want to thank you very much for being with me yet again.
Thank you.
Good night, Senator.